To use your Bryght Duo Kit, start with the Prep Cleanser and use about the size of a dime, larger for larger areas if needed. Work it into a lather with a little bit of water. And this is gentle enough you can use it every day, at least once a day, but we recommend twice a day. It may cause some light peeling, but that is normal. And you can discontinue use if it is too much. Rinse it off after 20 to 30 seconds. Pat it dry. Making sure it's completely dry, go in with your Treat Gel and use a pea-size amount, larger for larger areas. Work it in, massaging the skin for 20 to 30 seconds. And once it is completely dry, if it's an area exposed to sunlight, you can layer your moisturizer and your SPF on top. If you're using it on your face, these products go first.